Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg umlaut. This delightful dish is a German-inspired take on classic eggs, offering a rich and satisfying experience. We will explore how to combine simple ingredients to create a flavorful and visually appealing meal. Whether you are looking for a comforting breakfast or a quick, savory supper, this recipe is sure to become a new favorite. Get ready to elevate your egg game with this special preparation. To begin your egg umlaut journey, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 4 large eggs, a splash of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. For the savory elements, prepare about 1/4 cup of finely diced ham or crispy bacon. Don't forget 1 small onion, finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chives for a vibrant finish. A tablespoon of butter and a hint of nutmeg will complete your ingredient list. Now let's craft your delicious egg umlaut. First, whisk your 4 eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, pepper, and a dash of nutmeg until just combined. In a 10-inch nonstick pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Sauté your diced onion and ham for about 3 minutes until softened. Pour in the egg mixture, then gently stir with a spatula, pulling the cooked edges towards the center to create soft, creamy curds. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Your egg umlaut is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully slide the cooked eggs onto a warm plate. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chives for a pop of color and flavor. For an extra touch of richness, you might add a small dollop of sour cream. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with toasted rye bread or a side of crispy roasted potatoes. Feel free to experiment with fillings like grated Gruyere cheese or sautéed mushrooms for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.